tender strips of steak with chunky vegetables stir-fried together in a fantastic sticky garlic hoisin sauce. It's super simple to make and really tasty. Hi, I'm Nikki. Welcome back to our kitchen where we show you how to make delicious family-friendly recipes. Today I'm whipping up a quick and easy beef stir-fry with tender strips of beef and lots of colourful vegetables with a really tasty sticky hoisin sauce. It's the perfect weeknight dinner and it can be on the table in under 30 minutes. So let's get cooking. We're going to start with the sauce. To a small bowl, add 2 tablespoons of cornflour or cornstarch in the US, a teaspoon of sesame oil, 2 tablespoons of dark soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of hoisin sauce, a tablespoon of Chinese rice wine, and 2 tablespoons of honey. And mix it all together until that corn flour is fully incorporated. And now we want to stir in 120 ml or half a cup of beef stock. Stir it all together again and then put to one side. I've got 450 grams, which is about a pound of thin steak that's been sliced into strips. And I'm going to season it with half a teaspoon of black pepper and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Now heat 3 tablespoons of oil in a wok over a high heat. Once that oil's really hot, add the steak and then fry for about 2 to 3 minutes, moving it around the wok a couple of times so it doesn't stick together until it's nice and brown. Now remove the steak from the wok using a slotted spoon so we can leave any of that nice flavourful oil behind. Turn the heat of the wok down to medium and add another tablespoon of oil. Now we're going to add in 2 onions that have been sliced into nice chunky wedges and stir fry for about 2 to 3 minutes until just starting to soften. Next in goes 200 grams, which is about 1.5 packed cups of mange tout that's been sliced in half. We're going to fry that for a further minute. Now add 3 roughly chopped pak choi, 2 cloves of minced garlic and a teaspoon of minced ginger. And stir fry that all together for a minute. Now we're going to add in that sauce that we made earlier. Stir it all together and let it come to a gentle simmer. If it looks too thick, you can add a splash of water too. Add the steak back to the wok and stir it through to coat it in the sauce. Cook for a further 2 minutes to heat the steak back through and we're ready to serve. I like to serve my beef stir fry with some egg fried rice, topped with some spring onions and sesame seeds. And there you go, that's my easy beef stir fry with lovely juicy strips of steak, that fantastic flavourful sauce and crunchy veg. And if you want some more ideas for quick and easy weeknight meals, then check out my playlist here. See you next time.